Now, we'll see how to charge the battery. Firstly, unscrew the black knob on the rear case. Open the small door, turning it to the left. Pull out the cable and place the battery. Connect the battery to the connector. Carefully close the battery compartment. And connect the device to a socket using the supplied cable. Now select AC 100-240 volt on the control panel. The red LED light turns on to confirm that the device is correctly connected and working properly. Choose battery charge on the central switch. The yellow LED light starts flashing. In approximately 10 seconds, the display shows the effective charge level. The yellow LED light keeps flashing while the device is charging. Once the charge is completed, a green LED light turns on, and an acoustic signal is heard. The LCD display turns automatically off. While charging, the LCD tester might give non-reliable data. Always wait for the green LED light to turn on. At the end of the charging process, switch all the switches off